Welcome back, boys and girls. It's Big Odo here. Today, we're going to visit the farm. I just wanted to put some toys out for you and show you what type of animals we might find at the farm. What's this here? It's a little girl. There's a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! And there's a dog. What else do we have? Big goat. There's another horsey. Got some cows. Oh, a donkey. What noise does a donkey make? What else do we have here? Oh, there's a monkey. What's he doing in the farm? And another little puppy. Ruff, 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 ruff. Right, let's go on an adventure. Look, here's a wheelbarrow. That's pretty cool. A basket in the wheelbarrow. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Past the monkey, past the tree, past the little four horses. And we'll put it just there. Hey! There you are! It's me, Big Odo. Can you say Big Odo? Big Odo! Welcome back. Today, I've got something super exciting and fun planned for us to do. We've just been playing down on the ground with some toys from the farm, and we've seen, with our eyes, we've seen some animals from the farm. And today, we're going to be seeing some real animals, and should we get right into it? Yeah, but first of all, what do we need to do? Oh, let's shake our sillies out. Shake my sillies out. Wiggle my fingers, I'll wiggle my wrists, I'll wiggle my arms, shake my legs. I'm gonna shake everything. I'm gonna shake my head. Whoa! Hey, what's that there? It's called a duck. A duck's got a long bill for a mouth, and he's got two wings. Quack, 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 quack. And he makes the noise quack, 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 quack. Look, some little kittens. Oh, how cute. And they're drinking milk from a big milk pail. I think we just woke up the mother cat. Oh, she looks happy though, doesn't she? Oh, kangaroos! Hop, hop! Can you jump around like a kangaroo? Hop, 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 hop! Can you hop around like a kangaroo? Look how cute they are, and they're such interesting animals. They only live in Australia. And what's that? It's a cow. It's brown and it's white. Do you know what noise the cow makes? That's right. It goes moo. And there's a little baby cow. Aww, and there's a little girl running up to cuddle with the baby cow. And a little brown rabbit. Look at the brown rabbit, sitting there in the green grass with his pink ears and his black eyes, wiggling his nose and eating the grass with his mouth. Look at him standing up tall. Standing up tall, that happy little rabbit. Oh, and it's got such a wiggly nose. Look at that. Oh, and there's a white rabbit. It's white and it looks so fluffy and it's being cuddled. Oh, wow. And there's a child having a ride on a horse, like we saw with the toys. And somebody's walking it along. There's a baby horse. Do you know what a baby horse is called? Yeah. It's called a foal. That's right. The baby horse is called a foal. And it's a white baby horse. Oh, it was just a wig. Meh, there's some goats. Nah, nah. Oh, and there's that brown little baby cow. A little baby cow is called a calf. And there's some ducks and chickens and a cat. A cat that looks like he's having a ride on the train. Choot choot, choot choot. Do you know what noise a cat makes? That's right! A cat says meow. Look, and there's a parrot. Such a beautiful green parrot. He's eating the seeds. Oh, here comes some more kangaroos. I can see 1, 2, 3. And look at these, there's camels everywhere. How many camels can we see? There's a lot. 1, 2, 3. There's little ones sitting down. 4, 5. I counted 5. I think there was more though. Look, and there's a brown sheep. Meh. Oh, and somebody's somewhere with the dog. I know where they're going with their dog. They're going to the animal doctor. Animal doctor is called a veterinarian. And he's got a stethoscope around his neck. And there's an assistant there. And they've got something in the dog's ear. I think they're checking the dog's temperature. Now he's got his stethoscope in his ears and is listening to the dog's heartbeat, making sure the dog's all healthy and fit and fine and fun to play. Woohoo! Look! He can see right in there into the dog's ear. That's got a microscope on it so they can see in there. And look at this pug-nosed puppy. Oh, what a cute pug-nosed puppy. He's got a black nose and he's got white all over his body. That's his fur. And he's such a sweet pug-nosed puppy. Do you think he's gonna bark at us? Woo! He's barking at us. Ruff, ruff. Can you bark? Can you make that noise? Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh, this is fun. I love having adventures with you guys. Oh, and look at these brown dogs with their black and white noses. Wow, look at that. And he's got pink in his mouth. Can you see the pink in his mouth? Oh, look! There's a little black and white bunny! Yippee! There's one with brown ears. You see him with brown ears? And he's eating some acacia leaves. Wow, there's green acacia leaves. That is really cool. There's lots of little bunnies there. They look like they're having fun at the park. Have you been to the park before? Do you have fun when you go to the park? I sure do. I have so much fun jumping on things and sliding down things and running around. Whoa! What is that? It's got bright colourful feathers. It's called a peacock. That's right. Woohoo! A peacock. And there's a giraffe with his long, tall neck. And he's eating things from the tops of the trees. That's a cleverly designed animal. And a pelican. A pelican has got such a big beak. I know a song about a pelican. What an amazing bird is the pelican. His beak can hold more than his belly can. He can hold in his beak enough food for a week. What a wonderful bird is the pelican. And look, we've got some more lambs and some parrots with yellow and green and blue, and their head is orange. That's right. Excellent. Oh. Look, and there's a kangaroo and he's got his paws up on somebody's hand and they're feeding him something. And I think they're also taking some photos with their phones. Look! It's a llama. It's like a sheep, but it's got a very long neck. That is a funny looking llama. And oh, I've never seen some penguins on a farm. How did they get in there? Look, there's some penguins. And they're walking on the ice. Have you ever seen a penguin in real life before? Oh! It's a turtle! A turtle does everything very slowly. And here we have the giraffes again with their long neck and their yellow and brown spots. And it's a rooster! Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! And he's got red on his head, and he's got red under his chin, just under here, and he's got a beak, a pixie little beak like this. Cock-a-doodle-doo! Cock-a-doodle-doo! I know what this animal is, it's an owl! Look! And there is a baby elephant, and he's having a wash. Oh, I think we've gone to the zoo now. I think we're in the zoo. This place is cool. I love seeing so many animals. Animals from all around the world. There's animals everywhere. And they're all different types. And they all have different features. Long noses and short noses. They've got claws and feet and feathers and fur and you know what? I love seeing animals all around the world, and if you like watching Big Odo, you hit the thumbs up button and you subscribe. And parents, if you want your kids to keep watching educational videos from Big Odo, please subscribe. I like getting in there and helping kids learn different concepts and shapes and numbers and colours and patterns and animals. Really anything fun. I just love to be engaged. So help me, help them, and we can all do this together. Have a great day, guys. Woo.